I'm so irritated. I gotta unplug so much shit just to get a valve cover off. I'm gonna show y'all something. Look at God, okay? Look at this timing mark right here. See it? It's right there. Look at my timing mark right there. See it? Right there. I set it back a little bit, and I was gonna set it at top dead center once I got the timing cover off. But I was taking the harmonic balancer off, and I was spinning the engine over, and then it just stopped and started letting me take the balance off. It stopped right on top dead center. Look at God taking care of the idiots right now. Why do you drive a Ford? Because I want problems always. I hope this shit ain't contagious. Hell no, I'm going crazy. I'm going fucking crazy. Look at all this shit. This shit right here. This shit right here. And I had to borrow this shit right here. And all this shit right here. And this shit right here go with that shit right there. And all of that because of all this shit right here. And then I gotta take all this shit here off just so I can get in the inside and fuck with the shit up in there. So at this point, I got to this. Got the timer cover off and realized that the guy was broke. And I'm about to show y'all the rest of it right here. Yep, it was all in pieces in there. What did I tell you? Look, and it's not supposed to do that. It is not supposed to do that. It's supposed to do this. It's supposed to do this. I don't know what I be doing. I just be winging it, you know? So while I was putting it back together, I remembered something, and I stopped everything I was doing.